Okay, this is the ECU that ECU Exchange had worked on a couple times to fix a cold start problem. And I will demonstrate the cold start problem. Current ambient temperature is around 63 degrees. 1988 Mustang GT California edition. So it has.
This movie is about race without.
It has mass airflow sensor. Right, here we go. Now if I don't play with the throttle, the engine will simply not start. I mean, not stay running. Okay, so I really do have to yeah. Keep it up for about 10-15 seconds. Ooh, hear that backfire just now. The interesting thing is if I just hold it in one position, it may not want to idle, so I have to play with it. But if I get it to a position where it does idle, or where it does run, it creeps up. But if I try to let it down a little bit, it will try to die. Okay, so at this point it should stumble and stay running. Okay. Now it'll idle for a little while, and it gets smoother as the engine temperature increases. But still, during the first few minutes of driving, it's like I don't know, the mixture is not right or something. It stumbles, but after sufficient warm-up, it will eventually smooth out the idle. But every once in a while, even at hot idle, it'll stumble a little bit, like it'll rough idle, enough to the point where it'll shake the car. Okay, shutting down now.